Okay, so of course I forgot to take a before picture, so I had to go through my phone to try to find a picture. This is what the mirror looked like before. So this is literally all you need for this project. I found these disco ball adhesive back strips, and that is all I used to create this mirror. So first you're gonna lay out the strips and place them wherever you want them to land on your mirror. Once you have them placed, you'll remove the adhesive backing and begin to lay them down. Make sure you press the mirrors down really well because you don't want any pieces to come out. I thought I was actually going to have to also use E6000 glue, but the adhesive back was extremely sticky and did the job. When you're placing them side by side, just be sure to flush and match them up as best you can. You'll continue this all the way around. And oh, I work from the inside out. I felt like it would be easier to do the inside first and then do the outside versus doing it the other way around. Next, you'll lay out your outer layer and you'll do the exact same thing. Don't worry about the corners, we'll come back to those. Be sure you gently place them down and you have them exactly where you want them to land, because once they're stuck down, you cannot remove them. Alright, so for the corners, you're just going to have to make the pieces a little bit shorter. So place them down before you remove the back to see where you're going to need to stop the strip. And then slowly secure the mirrors in place. And then once you get to the end of where you need to cut it, you're just going to gently tear it. The mirrors separate really easily, so you shouldn't have a problem doing this. I used a total of about 30 strips to create my DIY mirror. And bada bing, bada bam, here we are. Here is my glammed edge-to-edge floor-length mirror. I love it. I cannot wait to take pictures in this mirror. I hope y'all enjoyed and go and make your own. Let me know what other DIY projects you'd like to see from me in the comments.